Get ready to have your minds blown because the OnePlus 12R has leaked in all its glory and the phone's color is going to make your phone jealous. Now I'm telling you, the OnePlus 12R is shaping up to be something of a headline maker, and first of all, mark your calendars for January 23rd, 2024 as that is the date when the OnePlus 12R will debut in India alongside its big brother, the OnePlus 12. Now this has been confirmed by the company, so no second guessing there. But hey, who needs to wait till then when we have so many juicy leaks lined up for you right here? I am talking sleek lines, dazzling colors and specs that will have you drooling. So buckle up because we are about to dive deep into everything that you need to know about the OnePlus 12R. Hello everyone, I'm Ania for Fiiber by India Today, and before we get on with the rest of the video, consider hitting that red subscribe button for detailed tech videos and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. With that said, let's get started. Now first things first, the design. And the design of the OnePlus 12R this year is more about refinement. So as per the leaks, the OnePlus 12R will be bringing the bling in three stunning colors: a dazzling blue, a signature black and a luxurious gold color that screams money bags even if your bank account disagrees. Now rumors also whisper that the OnePlus 12R may get a metal frame, and this will of course add to the premium feel and will surely turn head. And speaking of turning heads, the iconic alert slider is here to stay, letting you switch between silent, vibrate and ring mode with a satisfying click. But you know folks, it is not just about the looks, because this phone packs some serious heat under the hood. I am talking a 6.78 inches 1.5K resolution OLED display, so your movies and games will look sharper than your wittiest comebacks. And to make those visuals pop, the display cranks up the brightness to a scorching 3000 nits, meaning you can watch cat videos even under the harshest of sunlight. Also to let you know that this information about the 3000 nits display on the OnePlus 12R is not a rumor, because OnePlus just a few months ago confirmed that the OnePlus 12 and the 12R will come with newer and brighter displays over their predecessors. Okay, let's talk power, and the OnePlus 12R will likely feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor under the hood, and if the OnePlus 11 is anything to go by, this means multitasking, gaming and even running the most demanding apps will be smooth. Additionally, to keep up with all that processing power, rumors suggest up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage, so you can download, store and run whatever your heart desires. But hold on, I'm not done yet, because what good a phone is if it dies in between an epic BGMI match. So the OnePlus 12R is also likely to feature a massive 5400 mAh battery that will keep your phone juiced up all day long, and even if you do manage to drain it, kudos to you. 100-watt fast wired charging will get you back in the game in no time. As for the camera, the OnePlus 12R is rumored to boast a triple rear camera setup with a 50 megapixel main lens that uses the IMX890 sensor, the same one that you get on the OnePlus 11. Finally, the price. Well, a recent leak suggests that there is going to be a slight price bump over the 11R, so most likely the OnePlus 12R could come at a starting price of somewhere around 40 to 42,000 rupees. By the way, here's a little bonus for everyone who are awaiting the release of the OnePlus 12R. So this phone is expected to launch in China as the OnePlus Ace 3 on January 4th, just a few days later. And with that, technically we don't even have to wait until January 23rd to know everything about this upcoming beast. So there you have it folks, the OnePlus 12R is shaping up to be a real contender in the smartphone game. If the leaks turn out to be true, then we are looking at a dazzling design, top-notch specs and probably a killer camera. It is definitely a phone worth keeping an eye on. Also, if you enjoyed this video, then definitely smash that like button, share this video with others and subscribe for more such content. And if you have any questions around the OnePlus 12R, let me know all your thoughts in the comments. And as always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Fiiber. I'll catch you all in the next one. Thank you for watching.